Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Briszell. Today guys, I am going to be unboxing my brand new phone. Let's just open this up with my name on it. So this is the box. All right. That color, I wasn't sure what color I was gonna get, but I really love this color. I love the way it feels. It has a matte texture. And then pin thing for the SIMs card. And then we have charger. Oh, I'm coming from the iPhone 8 Plus. A little size comparison, it's a little bigger. And I love it. This phone is very slippery. It has the glass back. This one has a matte back, so it's not slippery, but y'all, I'm in love with the color. Yes, my phone is tore up. I've dropped it multiple times. Going to power it on. The power button is on this side. So I guess it's going to update this phone. So we're just gonna have to wait for this. I also bought me this case that I'm going to put on the phone. Alright guys, I just have to, oh my god, it literally copied everything over. Oh, see, there it goes. It says that my iPhone is activated. I'm so excited. Like I said, I think the color, I love the color so freaking much. It's the best. I thought I was gonna miss this home button, but I've gotten used to it so far on this phone, so I like it. Oh. Really loving the fuller screen because you can see most of the screen is cut off on this phone. I mean, you can kind of see it without it being on. And I am loving that a lot more. I really love the touch to wake feature on the phone. And I really love that it won't allow the notification to be shown fully unless I semi-unlock my phone. Another cool feature is I was able to set my phone up so 2 taps on the back of my phone will take a screenshot. Y'all, that was amazing. I love that so freaking much. Now, that is not all of the cool features of this phone, but those are just a few that I came across. I know there's going to be so much more. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscription button down below, guys. Always remember, guys, to smile, stay positive, and spread that positive vibe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.